This is a very quick walkthrough of how to connect GoHighLevel's new MCP version 2 to your Manus account. All you're going to do is you're going to go into, the easiest way is just go into a task, hit this, hit Manage Connectors. You're going to hit Create, go to Custom MCP, give it a title, blah, blah, blah. Then you're going to put in this link, services.leadconnectorhq.com/MCP/version 2. You'll save that. You don't have to do any headers. There's no copy and pasting. And then all you're going to do is, the command that I gave it is this: connect to my GoHighLevel account and find me the last 5 contacts using Lift Growth MCP. It'll take a second, and then it will ask this question. There'll be a little button that says login. You'll click that. It'll bring you over to the Lead Connector HQ login. Then you'll log in there and you'll choose the sub account that you want to connect. And then from there, it is already working. It is that simple. Version 2 is a heck of a lot more powerful. I will leave it at that for now, but that is how you can connect Manus to the new version 2 into GoHighLevel. Have fun, everyone, and would love to hear what everyone's doing with it.